Determine if the quadrilateral JKLM is a parallelogram by showing that opposite sides are congruent. Show all work and explain your answer. Well, remember, when we're looking to show that opposite sides are congruent, it says when showing sides or diagonals are congruent, the third bullet point here, use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length. So we're going to have to use the Pythagorean theorem. We're going to find the distance of JK. And actually, let me write that a little bit better. So we're going to draw a triangle. And what we have is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. So when we do the Pythagorean theorem, side squared plus side squared equals hypotenuse squared. 4 squared is 16. 2 squared is 4 equals c squared. 16 plus 4 is 20. And when we take the square root of both sides, we get c equals the square root of 20. So the opposite side to that, to JK, is going to be LM. So let's look at this triangle as well. But what we see is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 1, 2 here. And what we see for the distance, gotta spell it right, of LM is going to have the same calculation. So 2 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. I know that the numbers are reversed, but 2 squared is still 4. 4 squared is still 16. We ultimately end up with the square root of 20. But we also have to find the side lengths between J, M. So as we look at the distance of J, M, we've got 1, 2, 3, and we have 1 here. It's going to be 3 squared plus 1 squared equals c squared. And this is 9 plus 1 equals c squared. 10 equals c squared. And when we take the square root of both sides, we get c equals the square root of 10. Square root of 10. So let's hope here, when we look at our last side length, the distance between KL, when we draw in our triangle here, we've got 1, 2, 3, and 1. So the distance between KL, again, is 3 squared plus 1 squared equals c squared. And we've already done the math right there in the red. So what we end up with here is that c equals the square root of 10. And then when we explain our answer here, what we've got is that opposite sides are congruent, which means they have the same distance. So JKLM is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are congruent, they have the same distance. So JKLM is a parallelogram.